Finding the best lunchbox for office means balancing practicality, style, and durability to keep your meals fresh and organized. Whether you prefer sleek designs or extra compartments, the right lunchbox makes your workday meals more enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AERKINE Lunchbox for Office. The AERKINE Lunchbox for Office is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a convenient cordless way to enjoy a hot meal during the workday. Designed for professionals who don't have access to a microwave, such as drivers, electricians, construction workers, and busy office staff, this lunchbox runs on a powerful 16,000 mAh rechargeable battery. That means you can heat your food without being tied to an outlet, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. With flexible timer settings from 30 to 240 minutes, you can schedule your heating in advance so your meal is ready exactly when you want it. There's also a keep warm function to maintain the ideal temperature until it's time to eat, so you never have to settle for lukewarm or overcooked food. The adjustable temperature range from 149 degrees Fahrenheit to 294 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius, gives you complete control over how hot your food gets, with a heating time between 20 and 60 minutes. Whether you like your lunch piping hot or gently warmed, this unit can deliver. Made from food-grade materials, the 1-liter container is perfectly sized for a single person's daily meals, ensuring you have enough space for a balanced portion without unnecessary bulk. It also includes a hidden compartment for a fork and spoon, so you'll never forget your utensils. The hidden handle and included insulated carrying bag make it easy to transport by hand or over your shoulder, keeping your meal warm and ready to eat no matter where your day takes you. The sleek insulated design helps preserve heat and freshness, while its sturdy build ensures long-lasting performance. Overall, the AERKINE Lunchbox for Office combines portability, versatility, and ease of use, making it one of the most practical heated lunchbox options for busy professionals who value fresh, hot meals on demand.
Number 2. The VASG Lunchbox for Office. The VASG Lunchbox for Office offers a reliable and modern solution for enjoying freshly heated meals wherever you are. Powered by a large 16,000 mAh battery, this cordless heated lunchbox provides up to 2 hours of consistent heating, ensuring your food stays hot without the need for an electrical outlet. Its smart timer function allows you to choose from 8 customizable heating and temperature settings, letting you plan meals in advance for ultimate convenience. Once your selected time and temperature are reached, the lunchbox automatically switches to keep warm mode so your food stays at the perfect temperature without overcooking. With a capacity of 1 liter, about 34 ounces, it's perfectly suited for single servings, whether that's pasta, rice dishes, stews, or vegetables. The compact design makes it ideal for office workers, travelers, or anyone who wants the hot meal while on a picnic or day trip. Constructed with a detachable 304 stainless steel container and an ABS sealing lid, the VSG Lunchbox is not only durable, but also easy to clean. Both parts can be washed individually to maintain hygiene. Its BPA-free, odor-free build ensures that your food remains safe and untainted by plastic smells or tastes. The included utensils and portable form factor make it a grab-and-go option that fits seamlessly into daily routines. Whether you're at work, in transit, or enjoying the outdoors, this electric lunchbox delivers hot, delicious meals anywhere you go. With its long-lasting heating performance, smart features, and effortless cleaning, the VSG Lunchbox for Office is a dependable companion for busy lifestyles. Number 3. MODURE Lunchbox for Office. The MODURE Lunchbox for Office stands out with its long-lasting battery power and versatile usage for both adults and children. Equipped with a 14,000 mAh high-capacity battery and USB charging capability, this stainless steel electric lunchbox delivers up to 2.5 hours of continuous heating on a single charge, freeing you from dependence on power outlets. Whether used by kids at school, professionals in the office, or anyone traveling or enjoying outdoor activities, this lunchbox makes enjoying hot meals simple and accessible. Its advanced smart timing system allows you to preset meal times so your food is ready exactly when you want it. No waiting or constant monitoring. This feature is particularly valuable for children during school breaks or for office workers who prefer to eat on schedule. The MODURE Lunchbox has earned CPC, Children's Product Certification, ensuring safety and quality. Its 304 stainless steel inner pot and food-grade PP plastic shell are non-toxic, odorless, and corrosion-resistant, completely free from harmful substances like PPA. This guarantees your food remains safe, fresh, and healthy. The compact yet practical design is easy to carry, making it perfect for lunch breaks, commutes, or travel. With its combination of portability, smart heating technology, and certified safe materials, the MODURE Lunchbox for Office is an excellent choice for anyone wanting a dependable and health-conscious way to enjoy warm meals anytime, anywhere.
Number 4. FVW Lunch Box for Office. The FVW Lunch Box for Office is a thoughtfully designed, portable, self-heating lunchbox that's perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy hot meals wherever they go. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it requires no outlet, making it ideal for use at work, during travel, or on outdoor trips. Its smart timer function allows you to set your mealtime in advance, automatically heating your food to perfection without manual adjustments. With a generous 1.6 liter or 54 ounces capacity, this model can hold large portions, enough for 3 big servings of pasta, multiple dumplings, or a full meal with soup, making it a great choice for those with hearty appetites. The silicone-sealed lid ensures that your food stays securely inside without leaking, making it safe for carrying soups, stews, and other liquid dishes. This feature is especially helpful for commuters and professionals who want to avoid spills in their bags. Cleaning is simple thanks to the removable stainless steel container, lid, divider, and included utensils, all of which are dishwasher safe. The insulated design and durable construction ensure that meals remain hot and fresh for hours, while the sleek form makes it easy to transport. Whether you're working long hours at the office, taking lunch to a construction site, or going on a weekend picnic, the FVW Lunchbox for Office offers a reliable, spacious, and mess-free way to enjoy home-cooked meals on the go.
Number 5. ODSD Lunchbox for Office. The ODSD Lunchbox for Office is a versatile cordless electric lunchbox designed for ultimate convenience and performance. Powered by a 16,000 mAh rechargeable battery and paired with a 20-watt fast-charging adapter, it not only heats your food without an outlet, but also doubles as a power bank to charge your phone or other devices. This makes it an excellent companion for work, travel, camping, or anytime you're away from traditional kitchen facilities. The smart scheduled heating function allows you to delay heating from 30 to 240 minutes, ensuring your meal is hot exactly when you're ready to eat. A hidden handle and insulated carrying bag add to its portability, allowing you to carry it comfortably while keeping your meal warm during transport. With its combination of high power output, precise temperature control, multi-function design, and user-friendly portability, the ODSD Lunchbox for Office is a premium choice for anyone who values fresh, hot meals no matter where the day takes them. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.